Good morning, student. Today is my lecture number 57, and I am going to continue the chapter NPO, and I will solve the practical question from your book. So let us see the question. This is your question number 21. Following is the receipt and payment account of Sant Sophia Club for the year ended 31st March 2020. Cash balance is given. Subscription including 2000 for 18-19. Interest, donation for building, donation, life membership fee, match fund, proceeds for charity show, entrance fee are given in receipt side. And in payment side, match expenses, rent, 10% investment, charity show expenses, salaries, honorarium, sport equipment, printing and stationery, furniture and cash is given. Now question says, on 1st April 2019, club owned land and building valued rupees 1,10,000 and sport equipment rupees 20,000. Subscription due on 31st March 19 were 3,000 and subscription unpaid on means also due on 31st March 2020 was 6,000. Prepare income and expenditure account and balance sheet assuming that 50% entrance fee and a donation be capitalized and sport equipment as on 31st March 2020 valued at 42,000. So closing balance and opening balance both are given in sport material equipment here, and some sport equipment material has been purchased also. Now according to question, I will prepare format first, then I will put all the item related to income and expenditure account, previous balance sheet and current year balance sheet from receipt and payment account. So let us see the format. This is the format of income and expenditure account. Income and expenditure account of name of the club is given, Sant Sophia Club, and for the year ending 31st March 2020, this is our debit side and called expenditure. Amount, income, amount, credit side. Now this is our balance sheet of Sant S Club as on 31st March 2020, and this is liability side. Rupees, assets, rupees, and we have to prepare one more format for capital fund, calculation of capital fund. So this is also a balance sheet of Sant S Club as on 31st March 2019. Liability side, rupees, assets, rupees. Now I will put first item in asset side. This is given in income side, receipt side of receipt and payment account, cash. This is given in your question 1st April 2019. Amount is given 8,000. So I will write 8,000 cash, 8,000. Now I will put all the item one by one related to income and expenditure and balance sheet. So see, now I will put all the item related to receipt side. Now subscription is given, so by subscription 51,000 is given. Now and question says including 2000 for 18-19. So it will be related to previous year. Then I will deduct minus outstanding beginning 2000. Now interest rupees 2000 and 5,500 is given. So I will write also by interest 2,500. Now donation for building is given. It will be capital receipt fully. So I will write in liability side donation for building 1 lakh is given. Now life membership fee also will be in liability side, life membership fee. Amount is given 10,500. Now donation. About donation question in adjustment. Question saying 50% donation should be capitalized. So I will write donation 50%. It will be 10,000, and donation 50% will shown in liability side 10,000. Now question says match fund. It will also shown in liability side. Match fund. Match fund 1 lakh. Match fund 20,000 is given, and also in payment side match expenses 18,000 is given. Now I will write match expenses 18,000 minus expenses 18,000, remaining balance 2,000. Now second thing is proceeds from charity. So it will be our income, and I will write in income side charity. So amount is given 10,500. Now entrance fee is given. It will be our income, but 50% entrance fee 50% only shown in this side, income side 4,000. Now 50% I will write in balance sheet. Entrance fee 4,000. Now it match expenses is given. Rent 20,400 given. So I will write to rent 20,400. Next thing is 10% investment 40,000 is given. So I will write 10% investment 40,000. Now charity show expenses is given. Charity expenses to charity expenses it will be 9,600. Now salaries is also given. To salary 50,400. Now honorarium is given. Honorarium 10,500. Now Sport equipment is also given 30,000. So depreciation on sport equipment will be, opening balance is given in question 20,000 plus purchase 30,000 and minus closing balance is given 42,000. So it will be 8,000. It means 8,000 will be depreciation on sport equipment. So I will write in expenditure side. Now printing is also given 10,500, 5,000 to printing 5,000 and closing balance cash is given 11,600. Cash 11,600 given. Now all the item related to receipt and payment account I have written in income and expenditure account and balance sheet. Now I see the adjustment related to the question. Adjustment says on 1st April 2019 club owned land and building valued 1,10,000 and sport equipment 20,000. Subscription due on itna were 3,000 and subscription unpaid on itna was 6,000. So now I will write subscription due on 31st March 2019. It will be previous, related to previous year, and subscription unpaid, it will be related to in the year. Out of 3,000, 2,000 has been received, question says. So I will write, and 31st March 2020 it will showing 6,000. So 1,000 from 2019 were brought and included in 6,000. So really current year subscription outstanding will be 5,000 only. So I will add outstanding in subscription 5,000 and total will be 54,000. Now question says land and building and sport equipment on itna. So I will write it in opening balance sheet also. So now this is opening balance sheet and cash is given 8,000. Subscription outstanding is given 3,000 related to previous year. Sport equipment 20,000 and value of land and building is given 1,10,000. So when I will calculate total, it will be 1,41,000 and 1,41,000 will be our capital fund. Capital fund 1,41,000. Now this capital fund will show in final balance sheet. So now according to adjustment, outstanding subscription for 2020 will be 5,000 plus outstanding subscription still in arrear 1,000, so total will be 6,000. And on 31st March 2020 it was given 6,000. Now 10% investment means interest will occur 10%. So 10% of 40,000 will be 4,000 and I have received interest 2,500, so accrued interest should be 1,500 and I will write 4,000 total interest and accrued interest will show in balance sheet 1,500. Now from the previous year balance sheet, I will bring building to next year. Sport equipment is given. So now I will write furniture. First, furniture is also given in question. So furniture will be 35,000. And now sport equipment total is given, closing balance is given 42,000. So sport equipment will be 42,000. Closing balance, only closing balance. Land and building is given balance of 1,10,000. Now I will calculate the deficit and surplus. So in this question, expenditure is excess over the income. So total expenditure will be 1,03,900. 1,03,900. So deficit will be, when I deduct all the income from expenditure, it will remain 21,400. So now I will deduct deficit from capital fund. So now I will write capital fund. I have calculated 1,41,000. So 1,41,000 is our capital fund, and when I will deduct deficit 21,400, deficit 21,400, it will be 1,19,600. So now total of liability side will be 2,46,100, and in asset side also 2,46,100 also. Both side will be equal. So this is the solution of question number 21. I will meet you in next video. Thank you very much.